Dear friend, if you have tasted Nigerian beef suya and loved it, just wait until you try your taste buds on this Nigerian lamb suya. It is delicious and spicy. We have made it to the last day of our 7-day Christmas countdown, and I am super excited to be sharing Nigerian lamb suya. Suya is named after a very unique spice blend, which is used to coat and marinate the meat before grilling. Now, in this case, we will be using our oven, but suya is traditionally done on an outside grill. Here we're just cutting down our meats. The meats are thinly sliced, and this is to allow easy penetration and faster cooking. Now I have rinsed the meats a couple of times and I'm sure they're clean, so I go ahead and pat my meats dry. Then I go in cayenne pepper, paprika, some bouillon, and onion powder to marinate the meat. A list of ingredients and instructions are on the website foodsturvs.ca, so please feel free to help yourself over there. I am just going to add a generous amount of that suya spice and some oil. We continue to rub it in, and we're going to let this sit for at least an hour. I went 2 hours because I just wanted it to get most of that marinade in. And then I soaked my skewers because I didn't want the skewers to burn in the oven. Now it is time to skew on each piece of that lamb meat. When you talk lamb, it is soft, it is tender, so it doesn't take time to cook. Try to skew on the meats in a folded kind of fashion. This is how it should be looking when you skew them on. This is how it should be looking when done. We're going to do that continuously. It's a repeated process until we've gotten all our meat on skewers. Back home, we use newspapers and old scrap paper to serve this. The roadside sellers, that is how they sell these meats. And you can serve it with your favorite chops, vegetables, tomatoes, onions, cucumbers, anything you like. If you have a deep oven dish, that's perfect. You need something to capture any oil or residue that will be coming from the meat. We're gonna spray on some cooking spray because you don't want your meats to come out dry. And we're gonna toss into a 400-degree oven for the first 15 minutes. We're gonna take it out and marinate the meat again with the suya spice in some oil. Just coat the meats one more time and then put it in the oven again for another 15 minutes. By the time you take it out, it should be looking like so. I just sprinkled a little bit of that suya spice on the meats just for that final spicy finish, and you're done. If you liked this recipe, please go ahead and subscribe, drop a like, share. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a prosperous new year ahead.